Antarctica, a calm and frozen world stretching endlessly under sheets of ice. Global warming, a problem that is changing our entire planet. And you might think only humans are to blame, but did you know that these cute-looking creatures are, unknowingly, playing a small yet dangerous role in our changing climate? In this video, we'll uncover some fascinating facts about this creature, the penguin, that will truly surprise you. So, let's begin. The history of penguins goes back almost 60 million years. They are birds with wings, yet they cannot fly. A penguin's wings are not built for flight, but have evolved like paddles to help them swim swiftly through water. Their main habitat lies in the cold and icy regions of the southern hemisphere, such as Antarctica, South America, New Zealand, and parts of Australia. These are places where temperatures can drop to -40 degrees Celsius, where human survival is almost impossible. There are about 18 main species of penguins, and the largest among them is the emperor penguin. It can grow up to around 1.2 meters, that's about 4 feet tall, and can weigh between 30 to 40 kilograms. The emperor penguin lives in the harsh, icy environment of Antarctica. Scientific research shows that the emperor penguin is the deepest diver among all penguins. These birds can dive to depths of nearly 500 meters and can stay underwater for about 20 minutes. Fairy penguin and blue penguin are two names for the same species, the smallest penguin in the world. It measures only about 40 to 45 centimeters in length and weighs around 1 kilogram. These tiny penguins are found mainly near the coasts of Australia and New Zealand. The Gentoo penguin is the fastest swimming penguin in the world. It can swim at speeds of up to 36 kilometers per hour. A penguin's main diet consists of fish, squid, and krill, but they themselves are often targeted by large marine predators such as sharks, sea lions, and orca whales. In winter, when the icy Antarctic winds drop temperatures to -40 degrees Celsius, penguins use a unique survival strategy known as huddling. Thousands of penguins stand close together in a circular formation to share body heat. They take turns moving from the cold outer layer to the warmer inner spots, ensuring that every penguin gets warmth and no one stays exposed to the freezing cold for too long. The penguin breeding season lasts from December to June. During mating, the male penguin sings a sweet and special song to attract his female partner. Once the female lays an egg, she leaves it in the care of the male. The male penguin carefully holds the egg between his feathers and feet, keeping it from direct contact with the ice and ensuring it stays warm. This egg incubation period lasts for about 65 days, during which the male penguin goes without food or water for several weeks, solely focused on protecting the egg. Penguin blood contains a special type of protein that prevents ice crystals from forming. Because of this, their blood doesn't freeze, even in icy seawater as cold as -2 degrees Celsius. This ability helps them survive the extreme cold of Antarctica. Near the base of a penguin tail is a special gland called the uropygial gland. This gland produces an oil-like fluid which penguins spread over their feathers. It makes their feathers waterproof, preventing water from seeping through to their skin. Now, we move to an important aspect where we learn how penguins, in their own small way, are contributing to global warming. Scientists are most interested in the massive colonies of Antarctica, where thousands of penguins live together. Today, their activities are tracked by satellites, and here, a surprising discovery has been made. Penguin poop has been found to change both the color and the chemical composition of the entire area. Penguins have a very fast metabolism, which also affects how often they poop. Because of this high metabolism, penguins defecate almost every 20 to 30 minutes. These penguins mainly feed on fish rich in nitrogen. The nitrogen from their diet accumulates in their waste, which spreads across the Antarctic islands, where millions of penguins gather to nest. From their waste, nitrous oxide gas is released and it affects the environment. This gas is even more potent than carbon dioxide, and it also plays a role in the melting of Antarctica's glaciers that we see today. If the glaciers continue to melt at this rate, in the future, many coastal regions around the world could be submerged underwater. So, are penguins the villains of global warming? No, they are simply living their lives just as they have for millions of years. In fact, this is a lesson for humans that every part of the Earth, every creature, and every process has an impact on our climate. We hope you enjoyed learning about penguins and their world. For more fascinating and informative videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join Whispers of the Wild and discover even more amazing secrets of nature.